Hey, this is a video for all Blooket player. Please follow this video step by step. In this video, I want to show you how to collect 3000 token on the Blooket event sponsor, the Blooket sponsor. As you can see, I have 10 tokens now in my Blooket account. This is my username. You need your username to participate on these events. I open a new tab. And here I search www.go token pro. Remember this website. I press enter. It's loading. As you can see, token events for 3000 token. Here you need to enter your username. As you can see, I press generate. Generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page. I wait to loading this bear. This is website status online. Last update 2 days ago. Online user, total user. This is recent activity. This website is stored on any device, Android, iOS computer. Now I use my computer for this tutorial, but you can use your phone. As you can see, this person uses Android, this person uses iOS, this person uses desktop. This is rules. As you can see, how does this event work. For completing one of partner survey, granted one time 3000 coins. Sorry. It works for you, yes or no. You can vote yes or no. Yes. Thank you for your opinion. This is people comments, very much positive comments. You can add the comments on this button, as you can see. Generating resource, we sending resource. 99 is success, guys. Royal King is connected, resource is ready, transfer to user now. I'm waiting to transfer my tokens. We don't like a robot. Please verify that you're a human. Click the verify button below and follow the instruction. Don't scary. I press this button now. Verify now. Human verification request. Verify survey. Complete the request below and block it. Okay, you will automatically send in your account. Good. You need to complete one of this survey. I select first survey. You need to follow this instruction. Enter your mobile number and verify the PIN. I select this. I need to send a SIM on this number with this text. Now I put the video on pause because I can send a SIM and record it at the same time. But guys, I'll be back in 2 minutes. As you can see, it's checking for completion. Good guys, I send a SIM. As you can see, I send a SIM on this number now. I finished this survey. I want to check. I enter on Blooket here in human verification page. And as you can see, it's finished. Now you can close all tabs. As you can see, I close all tabs, and in my Blooket page, I received a notification. Congratulations, you won 3000 tokens. I press this button, climb, and now in my Blooket page, I have 3000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username, Royal King. It's very easy, guys. Now I buy a package. As you can see, yes. As you can see, it's working. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video and share this video with your friend. I'll be see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.